How to download Spotify songs for offline listening. To download Spotify content for offline listening, start by opening the Spotify app and finding the album, playlist, or podcast you want to save. Once you've selected it, tap the download button, usually shown as the downward facing arrow, located near the top of the screen. This will begin downloading all the songs in that album or playlist directly to your device. As the download progresses, each track will show a small status indicator, and once it's complete, the download icon will turn green. Each song will also display a green arrow confirming that it's available offline. To access your offline content, just go to your Spotify library and tap on the downloaded section, or open the specific playlist or album you downloaded. Now you're all set to enjoy your music anytime, even without an internet connection. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.